In previous class, in fourth period, I explained about Unit 5, Week 2, Unit 5, Week 2, Section B. First bit C question I have completed. Up to now, C I have completed. Now everyone copy D question. Week 2, Week 2, Section B. In morning session, I have completed Section B first bit A, B, C question. Now I am going to explain first bit D question. This already homework I have given. Some students are unable to do. That's why I am solving this question again. If those have completed, very good. Verify your answer. Those have not completed, concentrate here. Right. D question is he has given multiply the following expressions. First one he has given 2m square n minus 3mn square into and he has given and 3m minus 4n. Now I want to do multiplication. There are two ways are there, student. He has given and first expression I can multiply with second expression, or second expression I can multiply with first expression. Depends on you. Okay, I am writing here 2m square n into first expression I want to multiply with complete second expression. First term I want to multiply with second expression. What is second expression here? 3m minus 4n minus first term multiplication completed. Again second term, whatever second term is there, I want to multiply with again second expression. Minus 3mn square into 3m minus 4n. Now normal multiplication we know very well. First term multiplied with first term multiplied with second term. Now how to do multiplication? I told to you, when we are going to multiply this first term with first term inside bracket, it means firstly we have to multiply numerical coefficient. First numerical coefficient is 2 and inside bracket numerical coefficient is 3. 2 3 is 6. After that you are observing m before bracket m is square is there, means m2 is there, and inside bracket 1 more m is there. It means m cube. N will be as it is. Now second multiplication I am going to do 2 4s are minus 8, because minus is there. 2 into minus 4 minus 8. M square is alone. M square I will write as it is. N is 1 here and n is 1. It means n square. Now first term multiplication I have completed. Minus, now second term I am starting. Minus second term. Second term means minus 3mn square into 3mn. 3m. It means minus 3 3 is a 9. M into m is square. N square will be as it is. Now last multiplication. Minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12. M is 1. M I will write 1. N square is there here and n is there. Total n is 3. N cube. It means 6m cube n minus 8m square n square minus 9m square n square plus 12m n cube. Now I want to check like term and unlike term. Those have missed like term and unlike term student class, you cannot understand any concept, because I told on the time don't miss any class. If you have missed like term, unlike term class, you cannot understand any operation. Now you are observing here 8m square n square 9m square n square, both are friends, both are like term. If both are like term, sign are same, we have to do addition. But after addition, we have to put a respective sign. 6m is m cube n will be as it is because he is alone. I will write as it is. Next, minus 8m square n square minus 9m square n square. Both sign are same, both are like term. We have to do addition. Firstly, I have to add 8 plus 9, 17. After addition, we have to keep respective sign. 17 m square n square plus, he is also alone. I will write as it is, 12 m n cube. This is our answer. Those have completed, those got the answer previously only. These are the homework questions, student, I have given. Those have not done, you can note down. And if anyone have any doubt, you can raise your hand and you can ask me. Yes, next. The question I have completed. Next, I am going to explain yesterday's homework. Second bit I have given, divide the following expressions. Second bit. Everyone copy question in class notebook. Those have completed homework, very good. Those have not completed, check it your homework whether you have, where you have done mistake. Second bit. Second bit is asking, divide the following expressions. Like that question yesterday, I explained so many questions. First question he has given 16 a to the power 4 b to the power 5 upon 8 a cube b square. This division I have to do. Okay, student, one easy method also I am saying, don't worry. How to do division? 16 I will write as it is. Into a, how many are there? 4. It means I will write a 4 times. A into a into a into a. But if a will come 30, 80, 70, we cannot write like that. That's why yesterday I explained that concept. If terms are degree is very less, then we can write like that. 16 into a into a into a into a, and b, how many are there? 5. Into b into b into b into b into b. I hope up to now everyone is clear. Upon 8 I will write as it is, into the denominator, how many a is there? 3a. A into a into a, and b, how many are there? 2b. B into b. Now I want to do cancellation. Concentrate here, everyone. First I have to divide constant term. 8 ones are 8, 8 2s are 16, right? Next, 1a cancel. Second cancel. Third cancel. Next, 1b cancel. Second b cancel. Now numerator, check it. Which term is pending? 2 is pending. 1a is pending. 3b is pending. A into b cube upon, what is denominator? Nothing is there in denominator. Two into a into b cube. 2 into a into b cube. It means equals to 2ab cube. This is our first answer. Yesterday I told to you students, here a to the power 4 is there. If I will give a to the power 30, will write 30 times? No. Then we have to cancel like that, direct concept. We have to cancel like that. We have to cancel 8 ones are 8, 8 2s are 16. A is 4, A is 3. It means 1a will remain up. B is 2, B is 5. Here we are subtracting exponent. 5 minus 2, it means b to the power b cube will remain up. It means 2a b cube is coming also, direct method. Why I explain that method? If number of degree variable degree is very less, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we can do it. If variable degree is the highest type variable, then we cannot do like that. We cannot expand. Then learn this concept only, 2ab cube. This was the studies homework. Next, B question. I'm explaining B question now. B question. 20 a square b square c upon 10 a square b square c square. Both method is there. If you want to cancel directly, you can do it cancel directly. If you want to expand, you can expand also. But I told to you very clearly, if variable degree is high, it means 30, 40, 50 is there, we cannot expand, then we have to follow this method only. Now, firstly, I have to cancel here constant term, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, right? Next term, next expression, a square is there, a square we have to cancel. B square I have cancelled here. Because b square is numerator, b square is denominator. Now last term you are observing, student, c is 1 and c is 2 is down. 1c is up and 2c is down. It means 1c will remain down. Our answer is 2 upon c. This is our answer. Make it fast, everyone. If you want to expand also, you can expand, but make sure if variable degree is very low, less, then we can do it. If variable degree is very high, we cannot do like that. We have to cancel like that only. Yes. Next, third bit, A question. Those have completed answer, very good. Those are unable to solve this question, concentrate here. Third bit. Like that third bit question, actually third bit and third bit A and B question I have explained in the class only. Only variables I have changed. You check it yesterday's example. B question is same question. In the place of x, I have given A, B, C. A question is same, only variables I have changed. You check it. Second example. Yes, first question he has given, simplify the following. First bracket he has given b square plus c square plus 2bc, first bracket, minus b square minus c square minus 2bc. I explained this question like that question in yesterday's class. Here we want to subtract this both expression. I told to you, if I want to subtract two expression, whatever second expression is there, all sign will change. Whatever first expression is there, I will write as it is. B square plus c square plus 2bc. I will write as it is. But second expression, all sign will change. Why we are changing all sign? Because we are going to do subtraction. Before b bracket, what is there? Minus sign. It means inside bracket b square is there, plus b square will change into minus b square, plus b square will change into minus b square, minus c square will change into plus c square, minus 2bc will change into plus 2bc. Now I have to check like term and unlike term. I have to check like term and unlike term. Plus b square minus b square, I cancelled. Next, c square is 1 here, 1c square is here. It means c square plus c square, it means 2c square. Next, plus 2bc is here, plus 2bc is here. plus 2bc plus 2bc means 4bc. Both are like term and sign are same. Both are like term and sign are same. Answer is 2c square plus 4bc. This is very simple question, student. In yesterday's class, I explained so many questions like that. Whatever first term is there, I will write as it is, and second term, all sign will change. Now, if terms are same, sign are different, both are like terms, sign are different, we can cancel out. Minus b square plus b square, I have cancelled. Plus c square plus c square plus 2c square plus 2bc plus 2bc plus 4bc. B question. B question I explained in the class. Everyone check it. In the place of x, I have given a. Check it, everyone. B question already I have completed, students. Can I solve B question? I will go to C question.
C question, sir.
Other student?
C question, sir.
Sure?
C question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, yesterday you told A and B, no, sir. Homework.
A and B only, beta. Now C and D, E I am explaining today in today's class. Don't worry. Okay. Right. Copy C question, everyone. C question. 2a minus large bracket 4b minus curly bracket 4a minus small bracket 3b small bracket 3b minus 2a plus 2b, and minus 2a minus 2 plus 2b is line bracket. Yeah.
Sir, what is the meaning of that line, sir?
Line bracket, that is beta.
Line.
You did not listen to yesterday's class? Mr. Bhuvan, you did not listen to yesterday's class. That's why you are getting doubt. Yes. Okay, students, I'm going to solve this question. Don't worry. Yes, this question is very important question, student. Where students are committing mistakes, concentrate here. Even so many teachers are committing the mistakes, concentrate here. Yes. Firstly, I told to you, we have to solve line bracket. This is line bracket. This is line bracket. But before line bracket, what sign is there? Minus is there. Here only most important concept is there. If some students or some teachers, what they are doing here, they will write here minus 2a plus 2b. That is 100% wrong. When we are opening line brackets, it means sign will change. Whatever remaining term is there, I will write as it is. 2a I will write as it is, minus also as it is, 4b also as it is, minus 4a as it is, minus 3b as it is. I did not touch these remaining terms. Now I am going to open my line bracket. When I am going to open my line bracket, and before line bracket, you are observing before minus 2, before 2a, symbol is minus. It means all sign will change. Minus 2a, minus 2b. I hope it is clear to you, everyone. Understood, everyone? Understood, everyone? Students, where you are doing mistakes, whatever plus is there, we will write plus only. That is wrong. Because before this bracket, what is there? Minus is there. It means sign will change. Now I have to check Which bracket? Line bracket completed. Now which bracket, student? Small bracket. Small bracket is here. And 3b plus 3b minus 2b. Both are friends, but both are like term, but sign are different. Plus 3b minus 2b means both sign are different, means subtraction. B will come. Remaining whatever term are there, I will write as it is. 2a minus 4b minus curly bracket, 4a minus small bracket, 3b minus b is equal to b. Because both sign are different, means subtraction. B minus 2a, curly bracket, large bracket. Now again, I have not completed my small bracket. Again, I want to open my small bracket. Before small bracket sign is minus. It means all sign will change. Again, 2a I will write as it is, minus 4b also as it is, minus curly brackets also as it is, 4a also as it is. Now I will change all sign. Minus b plus b will change minus b, minus 2a will change plus 2a. Now small bracket completed. Now curly brackets, large bracket. Now which bracket will solve, student? I want to solve now curly brackets.
Curly bracket.
Yeah. Curly bracket you are observing, student, here. Plus 4a plus 2a. Both are friends. Both are like term. Both sign are same, means addition. Again, 2a I will write as it is. Minus large bracket I will write as it is. 4b as it is. Curly brackets as it is. 4 plus 2 is 6a. 6a minus b, curly bracket close, large bracket close. Yes. Next. Now I have to open which bracket? Curly brackets. And before curly bracket, what is there? Minus. It means all sign will change. 2a I will write as it is, minus as it is, large bracket as it is, 4b as it is. Now I am going to change sign, because before bracket what sign is there? Minus sign. Minus 6a, minus will change into plus last. Now curly brackets also completed. Now large bracket is there. Next you are observing again, students. Now again friends has there. Friend is there. Which friend is there here? Plus 4b plus b. Both sign are same. Both are like term. 5b. 2a I will write as it is. Minus large bracket as it is. 5b minus 6a. Now which bracket is pending? Last bracket we have to solve. We have to open large bracket, and before bracket what sign is there? Minus sign. It means we have to change bracket second sign of second brackets. Again 2a I will write as it is, minus 5b plus 6a. Now again 2a, 6a both are friend, both sign are same, addition. 8a minus 5b is our answer. Make it fast, everyone. Make it fast, everyone. Write down clearly. Actually, don't worry, student. Like that question will not come in your syllabus, because these are higher standard student. They have given some concept in your syllabus, but this is not a syllabus. This is 7th class syllabus. Especially operation simplification, like that question will not come in the examination. See, they will give me simple question. They will give. Make it fast, everyone. Now D question you will solve, student, because same like concept is the D question. Okay. Student, D question you will solve by own. Okay. Today's homework D question only. E question I am going to solve. E question I am going to solve.
Sir, only D question is the homework, sir.
Yes. But again you have to solve third bit A, B, C, D. Okay, all question again you have to solve. Already I have given, again you have to solve, student, then only you will get confident. PE question.
Okay, sir.
Yes, E question. This is also a very big question. Yes, 3A minus large bracket 4B minus curly bracket A minus small bracket 3C minus 2B, small bracket close, plus 5C minus 3 times A minus 2B minus 3C. Right. This question we have to concentrate more while solving. Concentrate everyone here. Observe here. You know, any simplification question is coming, I have to apply which rule, which concept? BODMAS rule concept. In this question, there is low line bracket, small bracket is there. Small bracket is there. There is here one small bracket and here also small bracket. Okay. But this small bracket is coming under curly brackets, right? It means, firstly, I am going to simplify this 3 into A, 3 into minus 2B, 3 into minus 3C, right? Because it is coming in small bracket. 3 times means 3 into. Now, whatever remaining terms are there, I will write as it is. 3A minus large bracket, 4B as it is, minus curly brackets A as it is. Now, I am opening here small bracket, minus 3C minus 3C plus 2B. I open small bracket. Again, plus 5B will be as it is. Plus 5B will be as it is. 5C will be as it is. Next, I am multiplying. I am opening last bracket now. Last bracket is what? Minus 3 into A, minus 3A. And before that minus is there, means all sign will change. Minus into minus plus 6B, minus into minus plus 9C. Small bracket close, curly brackets, large brackets. Now I have to check in inside curly brackets like term and unlike terms. 1A is here, plus A minus 3A, minus 3C plus 5C plus 9C, 2B, 6B. Whatever remaining terms are there, I will write as it is. 3A I will write as it is, minus as it is, large bracket as it is, 4B as it is, curly brackets as it is. Now I am going to do simplification. A means plus A, minus 3A. Both sign are different. Subtraction, minus 2A. Why minus? Because minus 3 is greater value. Next, I am going to check B. Where is B? Plus 2B plus 6B. Plus 2B, okay. Why I am writing alternate? Because ABC will come. ACB also we can write, ABC, no problem. But I am writing B. Plus 2B plus 6B plus 8B. Now I am checking C. C is what here? Minus 3C plus 5C plus 9C. It means plus 5 plus 9 we have to add. 9 plus 5, 14c. 14 minus 3 plus 11c. Curly brackets, large bracket. Here this is 5c plus 5c plus 9c. 14c. 14c minus 3c. 11c plus 11c, right? Now I have to open curly brackets. Before curly bracket, what is there? Minus is there. It means all sign will change. Whatever first term is there, I will write as it is, minus as it is, large bracket as it is, 4b as it is. Now I have to change all sign. All sign will change. What we can write here? Minus into minus plus 2a minus 8b minus 11c. Yes. Again, I have to check like term and unlike term. 4b is there and minus 8b is there. That's it. Again, 3a I will write as it is, minus as it is, large the bracket as it is, plus 4b minus 8b. Both are friends, both are like term, but sign are different. Plus 4 minus 8, minus 4, because 8 is greater value, that sign is minus. Minus 4b plus 2a as it is because he is alone, minus 11c also alone. Again, I have to open which bracket? Large bracket. Before bracket, what is there? Minus sign. It means all sign will change. 3a will be as it is, minus, I am going to change sign. Minus 4b will become plus 4b. Next, plus 2a will become minus 2a. Minus 11c will become plus 11c. Again, I have to check like term and unlike term. 3a minus 2a. Both are unlike term, sign a different, subtraction. A plus 4b is alone, 11c is alone. This is our answer. Note down. A plus 11, a plus 4b plus 11c. Make it fast, everyone. Very clearly, I have explained here. Again, today you have to solve this question. Third bit, A, B, C, D. Homework. Again, you have to solve. You have to share me. I want each and every students to solve. Yes. Write down this question very clearly, student. But don't feel panic. Like that question will not come in your syllabus. Don't worry. This is higher concept question they have given in your class. Don't worry. They will give simple question like one.